There is nothing new under the sun. But God says, Behold, I make all things new. Jesus, being the light, has declared us the light of the world, and we're made in His image to be in the likeness of Him. And God is the Creator. He makes all things new. And so there are two kinds of people, consumer and creator. And well, actually, we're a combination of both. But the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak, and the spirit war against the flesh. When you overcome the flesh, so that the spirit may shine, you let your light shine, you allow it to form. You can create things new, ready for the effort. This is called effort. Let your light so shine before men. When we consume things that are already existing. And there's nothing new under the sun. We scroll through the media. Might as well turn them off. Might as well be bored, so that your mind can work things out and you create things new. You create a hobby. Daily thought.